A lady biker reaches her breaking point, and on the other side, a driver gets trapped as his door is slammed shut. These two moments are the craziest clips in this video. The bikers were only trying to start their bikes, but the moment a van driver pulled up, everything suddenly exploded into a road rage argument.
Come on, come on. No, enough of this. Enough. 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 No. Come on. No. Enough.
Both sides went face to face like things were about to get serious. But before it could blow up, the other riders stepped in and cooled everything down.
I just said to him,
start one of our mates' bikes.
come on.
Who are you talking to that? Boot me, come here now.
No.
Start booting me and then get the off me, you little prick, mate. You're a lucky little cunt. I won't go to work. Yeah, f***ing work. You stay on the f***ing drugs, you twat.
A lady rider and her father complained that a biker sped past and almost hit them, and then what happens next?
What's up?
Dude.
What happened?
Look out. You up, dude?
What happened?
You f***ing almost hit me.
Oh, my fault. My fault. Hey,
The lady driver kept cutting into the lane on purpose. She blocked them again and again, and the biker finally snapped. What happened next? No one saw coming. He was riding between traffic like normal until a car door popped open and he went straight into a crash.
ne yapıyorsunuz ya?
These two riders were just cruising, but out of nowhere, a car jumped in from the right side. That one move triggered their anger, and the argument took off instantly. Even though things could have gotten a lot worse, the biker rode off before it escalated, and the situation finally cooled down. The biker claims the driver suddenly cut in front of him and slowed down, and that's when the driver's anger kicked in. Moments later, they pulled over and started arguing face to face on the road.
You were going too fast, bro.
How did you?
I was going too fast.
How am I going too fast and you're almost hitting me if I'm going too fast?
Bro, because you cut in front of me.
Yeah, I'm going faster than you.
No, you cut in front of me and then went hella slow, bro. I will you up, homeboy. Take your helmet off, homie.
Even though things were getting worse, once the driver admitted his mistake, everything finally calmed down.
On your ass like this, bro. Like, look, I'm shaking, homie.
That's my bad, bro. I don't have mirrors.
I'm not trying to be an
I
asshole,
that
bro.
close.
All right, dude. I'm sorry, bro.
It's all good.
All right,
dude.
it scared
My
the
bad.
out of me, bro.
I know.
All right, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
It's all good, dude. You take care.
The biker was riding straight when a car suddenly pulled out from the left, not too far ahead, but enough to make him furious. And within seconds, they were face to face, pointing fingers and erupting into a heated argument.
Yo,
Yo, what?
why'd you pull right out in front of me?
You better get your ass from in front of me, boy.
All right, well, you see all this shit going? You cut me off right in
I don't
front
give
of
a
me.
what I did. You walk up to my goddamn
Well,
car.
I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off, you're gonna kill somebody, dude.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna kill me? Okay.
Get back on your motorcycle.
That's what you better do.
Not today.
I
This is
wish
the
you would.
holidays. Get on your motorcycle.
All right,
This is the
Don't
holidays.
start pushing on me. He
Get
cut
on
me
your
off, all right?
motorcycle. This is
I'll
the
get over it. I'm
holidays.
not gonna touch her. Why would I touch her? You cut me off. You're gonna
Anybody
kill
can cut
somebody,
you off
dude.
anytime. Get in your
You ain't gonna kill me.
Do me a favor.
All right,
Happy holidays.
do it.
Okay?
Have a
Happy
good
holidays.
Christmas. Have a good Christmas, ma'am. Have a...
The biker was speeding through the neighborhood when a driver snapped, saying kids live there and that kind of speed isn't safe.
Turn your bike off.
better get the out of here. I'm telling you right now. You come by any of them houses again on these bikes, and you got problems. You understand me? Well, whoever the it is, don't come back. I swear to God, I'm not kidding. We're doing photos here. We're doing photos here. They were not
The driver came back again, but before things could get worse, the rider apologized, and they both walked away, calming the situation.
What did they do?
There's little kids on this. You live up here. I mean, listen, 100 miles an hour. I know people race here. Get past the houses, and then I don't care what you do.
Right.
Don't come by my house at 180 miles an hour.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's just disrespectful. And I'm not going to put up with this here. So.
All right.
I just saw the bikes.
It's all right. Have a good one, buddy.
Good luck.
A driver stopped the biker, saying he was going too fast in a neighborhood full of kids.
Let's see here. All right, here we go.
Camera too.
Yeah, good.
We got you both on Slow down.
Good.
Why are you driving fast over here?
First gear?
The biker said he was only in first gear, but the driver didn't believe him, and that's when the argument started.
You f***ing liar. We got you on camera.
First gear.
Slow down, dude. Please. Yeah.
First gear. Yeah.
No, don't say please. No.
First gear. You can come over to my house if you want. We can all have a chat.
Let's talk right here. Why are you speeding? There's kids here, dude.
Yeah? They could stay in the driveway? Is the street
neighborhood, dude?
Is the street a playground?
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, I know.
Slow the fuck
I know what
down.
it is. I know what it is. This isn't a playground.
Slow down.
This ain't a playground.
I don't give a f***. Slow down. It's a neighborhood.
Whatever, man.
A lady rider was cruising straight when a black car suddenly pulled out from the right. She couldn't react in time, and the impact knocked her down.
Yeah. No, I'm good. That was my fault. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Both the bike and the car took some damage, but thankfully the rider
Yeah, I'm
herself
good.
wasn't seriously hurt. Out of nowhere, a sudden road rage clash breaks out between a biker and a driver, and what happens next, you'll see at the end.
What the f are you doing? Are we pulling over or what? You want to pull over? Let's go. You know I got you on camera, right? Yeah, you over here driving like f***. You threatening my life and shit. You. You too. You.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, don't miss the video on the end screen. It's an even crazier road rage moment. Go check it out.